Over 10 acres of ground. This video to show you the inside of the 40 by 30 warehouse that we couldn't get you inside earlier on when it was listed a few months back. Big front door, metal clad, metal roofed. The over 10 acres, part of a farm, open mixed woodland. 100 amp circuit breaker wiring. It's got all the outside conduits, which is a safe way to do it, like you see in a commercial application. It's Holton Water Company power too, which means cheap juice. There's a mezzanine, a balcony, shelf that could be reworked into an apartment loft. Oil, hot air heat, keeps the place nice and toasty. Check out the old homemade soapbox derby cars. These were made by hand, not from a kit. The winner went out to Akron, Ohio. A world-class event started back in 1934. As an aside, Holton, Maine had the largest race for soapbox derby in the country, 5 years in a row. We've got our own engineered hill. But back to the building. Metal ceilings that are white, which makes it easy to work on. Do you need a shop that you can work out of? That's an easy area to heat if you want to close off the rest of it. This could be for storage for your bucket truck. See the balcony on one end? All on a concrete slab, wrapped in metal, roofed in metal. Here's your big oversized door with a single passageway doorway, so you don't have to cool it all off getting in and out. There you have it. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. Please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you're not already a member. We promised you a video, a sneak peek of the inside. We just delivered on that promise. That's Canada in the distance. This road dead ends, but it's year-round. You're near Cooks Brook.